Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Language Academy again over here. I have Sifat with me who recently got his desired score in PT guys with 85 overall guys, with 89 in listening and 90 in writing guys and 86 in both speaking and reading. That's an amazing score, especially in just a matter of 2 weeks. Now, before he came to us, he gave a couple of attempts and he was, continuously missing in reading. But he came to us and in the second attempt, he got his desired score. In the very first attempt which he gave with us, he just missed by 3 marks in listening. Over to you, Sifat. We want to know how did you, able to manage your reading scores this time, because you were continuously missing before you came over here. And then in last attempt, you missed in your listening with 3 marks, but this time you got 89, almost perfect score. So please share your experience and insight about both reading and listening, so the audience over there can get some valuable feedback.
So before coming to Language Academy, I gave the exam like 2 times.
Yeah.
In both the times, I was missing in reading and writing because the writing was getting affected because of the reading section.
Correct.
So after coming here, 𝗣𝗍𝗃 called me up after I gave my mock test.
Yeah.
So I was enrolled for like 2 weeks.
Right.
So after I gave the mock test, I got a call from 𝗣𝗍𝗃 one day. She's like, "Come down, I need to talk to you regarding your mock test results."
Sure.
So she showed me that I'm missing in reading and reading is affecting my writing.
Right.
Because I used to think that I'm lacking in writing.
Correct.
But I wasn't lacking in writing. It was the fill in the blanks which was related to writing section.
Sure.
So she gave me a list of like more than 150 questions.
Wow.
Like to read through them.
Right.
So that I can have an understanding like what's its matter.
Right.
So all the suggestions she gave me about the reorder and the reading, I was just reading through it.
Yeah.
And practicing them.
Yeah.
Not memorizing that because you can't
Correct.
memorize it. So what I noticed that in reading section, I was choosing the simple words which were making the sense, but there were like more difficult words.
Correct.
The same meaning but difficult words.
Difficult.
So apparently the PTE wants the difficult words to be chosen, like
academic.
Yeah. Not the easier one.
Correct.
So I was not choosing the difficult ones,
Right.
the more accurate ones.
More accurate.
Choosing the normal ones.
Normal, simple.
And
ones.
all the reorders came like exactly the ones I got the prediction paper. All the reorders came from there. So in the first attempt I gave from Language Academy, I missed by 3 marks in listening.
Yeah.
Because I was writing the keywords in listening instead of writing the whole sentence.
Correct.
So the second time I wrote down all the whole sentences which I dictated.
Correct.
And I got the results.
Wow. Great. Congratulations once again,
Thank you.
Sifat. Now, yes, guys, as Sifat told, he was selecting the words which were very simple, which were basic. But you need to understand this is PT academic, guys. All right. So all the summaries which you're getting in your reading, all the comprehensive passages which you're getting in your reading, you need to understand they all are academic in nature. So you need to select the blanks which have more worth in terms of the vocab or more worth in terms of the collocation. And that's what Sifat did, and he got his desired score, guys. Now, in terms of his listening scores, yes, he missed in the very first attempt over here with 3 marks, but this time he got 89, guys. That's amazing score, guys. And in just a matter of 2 weeks, as Sifat told, he was enrolled into a crash course program because he knew that he had to finish it in 2 weeks. His intentions were clear. His motive was clear. That's why he was very focused. And then, yes, he got the right guidance at the right time, which you guys also need in order to clear your PTE exam. Now, make sure, guys, you understand that this is a PTE academic test. So don't just go in the exam and then, select the words which are simpler to you. You have to make sure you are taking care of the academic side of the things as well. Because at the end, if you don't, then you will lose marks. And then that's why, Sifat was losing marks in the earlier 2 attempts which he gave before coming here. Now, any final tips if you want to give to the audience over there, so they can also get some good feedback or they can work towards their PTE exam?
So they can just practice like 2 days before the exam.
Yeah.
As long as everyone follows the right guidance from here and the prediction list we're getting from here.
Right.
Everything doesn't come from the list.
Correct.
But it makes sense over there because sometimes the questions are turned around.
Correct.
But it's pretty much the same thing.
Pretty much similar thing. Yes, guys. The predictions are very valuable, but you need to understand that don't cram them, because if you cram them, you will be just stuck with them. So you have to understand the approach to solve them. So if any other question comes as well, you are able to solve them with the same approach which you were using earlier. Make sure, guys, you study hard, make sure guys you study with the proper dedication and make sure you have the right guidance with you so you can clear your exam same way Sifat did. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next time. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, please put them down in the comment section. I'll try to answer them all. Thank you guys.